welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is no guests, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait for you to join. All right, so let's get started here. This is my centerpiece. It's a DIY centerpiece. Absolutely beautiful, and it has the candle inside that's LED, also came from the Dollar Tree. All of the florals as well came from the Dollar Tree, including the cylinder vase. Very budget-friendly tablescape, and so I find it so romantic. All right, guys, so this is the place setting. Excuse me. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we have the flatware, okay? And this came from Hobby Lobby. All right, these faux leather pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree. I love these. Okay, so these plates came from Walmart. I love this set, very nice. I decided to lay the napkin down this way, okay. Here is the plate. I'm loving this set. It's so neutral. Can go with anything in any season. I just love it. Here is that wooden charger, and this charger was thrifted. Then we have the burlap ruffle placemat, and this came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we have some high and low items here to create this beautiful rustic place setting. I'm loving the burgundy from this centerpiece. I just love the contrast there. Okay, so I laid the napkin down this way. And then I placed the pumpkin in the center. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? And this is the place setting. Now we come on over to the wine glass. This came from Dollar Tree. And then the water glass came from Goodwill. We have the votive and the votive holder that came from the Dollar Tree. So here we have some absolutely beautiful pieces put together to create this beautiful tablescape. And I'm working, guys, on doing the background, and it is pretty much there. The only thing I need to do is my tree. So it looks gorgeous. Simple, but beautiful. All right, so here we go. Let's head on over to the reveal to take a closer look. hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.